Midwest nibo baraye bembere mikoro yo kujaguza Ekiro Kyabajurizi abo bajoro bakristayo umwaka ogu.
Well, I think the cash that has been released so far is about 100 million, just 100 million, because the money from the President's State House hasn't come. We haven't gotten it yet. Around 100 million is on an account. We have deposited money on some hotels for accommodation, for the choirs, uniform, and then, of course, communication. I don't have the list of the budget, but that's a souvenir project. The souvenir project will cost 450 million.
Right, Reverend Kisembo nagira ngu nkabo bakina matsiko ngo baza kutunga sente ziri kwetengesebwa barebetse ngo mukoro gwagenda mu meisho kurungi.
Finance Committee will discuss that. We are raising also a dinner to support even the remaining money of even if it came, we still have some deficit, but we are optimistic by faith. This man will come and this activity will take place.
Ogu yayongera yashoborera ngu batebekanisize abaramaje abari kurenga mu miliyoni emwe abari kutekateka kutandika kwakira ebiro 28.
Well, the pilgrims we haven't one sure of the number, but maybe 1 million people can come. 1 million, that could be the estimate of the people are expecting. When are they coming? They begin coming maybe from 28th onwards. Even as we conduct the other conferences for the youth and the women, they will already be here.
Mukorogu mwembezi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni wari kuteekateekwa kuba ari omugenyi mukuru kandi n'omuburizi w'izuba naza kuba ari bishop okuruga mu ihanga lya Nigeria, Right Reverend Henry Rukuba.
Guest whom we invited is the President of Uganda, His Excellency Kaguta Museveni, the chief guest, and the guest preacher is the Anglican Archbishop of Nigerian Church, Anglican Church in Nigeria, Right Reverend Most Reverend Dr. Henry Ndukuba, the Anglican Archbishop of the Church of Nigeria.
Bishop Wanamgongo, Bishop Matovu, yayihanangiriza abakristayo okwija omu bwingi izooba eryo.
Okusinza okw'omwaka guno ogw'2024 njagala okubakubiriza mwenna banyabo ne basebo abaawano Namugongo watudde muba musiroko wano twaniriza abagenyi abo kinakwasanya ennaku omusajja n'ava ebundi bujo eri gye bali makooko mungi najja wano n'abuukira wano n'asanyuka nga gwe Namugongo wano essonde.
Yayongera yayanangiriza za dayosisi ezitakashayikira emirimo y'okwombeka amwanya gw'abajurizi ogu okurugayo bagakopa eki Midwest Diocese ekozire ekyokuhayo miliyoni 4 murimo ogu.
Kakati abantu bano basonze sente batuwe tumalirize ekintu kino tubeebaza nnyo senga mwe temukutte kamera bandi bakubideko mu ngalo naye mwabeeyo mukubeeko mu ngalo abantu bano bakoze omulimu baleese omukululo gw'amaanyi tunagamba nga tabeerwensooli be baasireka kali.
Babishopu batari bamwe na bamwe abayetaba mu rukungano rw'abanyamakuru oru bayeta abantu boona wija kwejumbira bekoreji.
Nkweta abantu baitu boona kwongereza cluster chair waitu runo mukuru w'entebe akututeraniza zaitu abarorerezi twena mukaaga manyire kuno Kampala Buganda haliyo n'abantu baita bakuruga mu bikaro ebyo itwa bakuteekanisa n'abandi boona tukubeta
okwezi okw'omukaaga ngasaba banyikyethu abanze abakahindana omu fellowship yetu y'emengo abalere n'abakulu musyasa kutsibu mwesinda ekindi kasese nahale abandu ilwe kasese bakaisinza obulalu bakaisinza ereria nikwa inywe abahakuhi abali emengo abali entebe abali mukono abali omwamenyi yosi
bekoreji neija kubaho Ekiro Kyabajurizi biro 3 ebyokwezi okwa mukaaga bakuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.